Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2013 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 turbo diesel with 190 horsepower. The vehicle is in metallic Santorini black finish. It's got a privacy glass. It comes with an 18-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. It's got front and rear parking sensors, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats and parcel shelf, and a 12-volt power outlet in the boat. And the front view of the vehicle, it's got a front fogs and a headlamp washers. The interior of the vehicle is much in full leather with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and storage. And for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. This one is actually loaded with airbags. I'm gonna count them and let you know how many they are. So you've got 2 in there, another 2 on the sides, makes 4, 6, 8, on the sides over there 9, 10, 11, 12 airbags altogether. So here we have electric windows and mirrors. It's got Meridian sound system in it. Once we step in, as you can see, it is a 6-speed manual. It's got a push button to start, a power and steering wheel, a multifunctional steering wheel, voice commands on the left hand side and a cruise control on the right hand side. It's got auto headlights as well. A center armrest with some storage under it, and the USB slot and iPod slot are in there, and a auxiliary and a 12-volt power outlet as well. In the middle we have some cup holders, storage and a 12-volt power outlet as well. Heated seats, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, front heated windscreen, eco start and stop function, a satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. It's got a DAB radio, a CD player as well. Basically it is a CD and DVD player, so you can watch movies on the screen. Very well maintained and clean vehicle. This was the video walk around of the 2013 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.